Mr. Winya, so that it will not be like it's only the guys that are talking. So let me talk on behalf of the ladies.
You will not talk
So
now.
that the guys will not chance us. They don't want to be like that. They won't show, So let me talk on behalf of the ladies. We are saying thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Our thank you cannot be enough because you really don't know, especially for it's from the two people that have spoken earlier. It makes me realize that we are mostly like minds because majority of us don't know anything about tech. Because me, I've always been hearing therapy. What is this tech that everybody's ever shouting? I don't understand. How do we even start? Where is the starting point? How do we go about it? And the way the class came about entry in Excel, anybody who feel like they know a lot about Excel, this is just Excel. I can do one or two things. So when I started the course, I was like, really? So Excel can do this? Like Excel can do a lot of things that I thought I knew. And it just became like, really? I didn't know I could do this. I didn't know I could do this. I didn't know I could do that. And here we are today. But somebody brought the vision, and we are grateful for that. God will continue to increase your wisdom. Yourself and your team, you guys are doing a very great and excellent job, and we are grateful. Really appreciate. And now this is you bringing it to us from being a learner to an earner, meaning that we are in for a long thing. We still have a long thing, so we have a lot to achieve from you people. And we are grateful. I personally, on behalf of the ladies in the house, we are saying thank you, sir, to the manager, the team manager, to yourself, to your team, because it makes the class. There's a way you usually do the class. I'm always like, okay, this thing is actually simple. No, this thing is actually difficult, but Mr. Gregor will make it look like it's simple. It is when you now start posting the video and going back. Like, how did you do his own now? You don't feel like, but this guy made it so simple. Like, but me, I'm not getting it. You go back again, pause, replay, like all of those things. It's always funny when you are alone all by yourself trying to achieve the exact thing that you did, especially when I was trying to build my dashboard. You don't want to know. Even in my office, they started laughing at me that, what's doing this one? Because I just wanted to do it the exact way you did yours, and you have to pause. It got to a point that will be 20 seconds. He said the word 2 seconds later. So hold on, pause. It was really funny, a funny experience, a very good one. But I'm grateful I joined because it was just a random status on a colleague of mine. I was like, really? Okay, let's try Excel. I don't know what they want to teach us again. Let's go on. And sincerely, I didn't regret. I did not regret. And coming for that prize, wow, it's worth it. Like, I didn't know that we are going to be getting so much value for our money. I did not know that. I was just thinking that, okay, like every regular, like Mr. Kenneth said, they will just give you 1 or 2 videos and your money has gone. But this, even when you dropped week 6B, I was like, Tony, we never finish me. But I'm glad and I'm grateful that we got value for our money. Thank you so much, sir. God bless you, sir. And we love you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you for your kind words.